So here's an Excel challenge most people struggle with, but it has a very simple solution. So you have a list of students and you want to know who got an A in both chemistry and geography. Now you start off using the filter function. Array is what you want returned. In this case, the students. Include, we're going to select the chemistry column, equals, in quotation marks, A. You can also reference the cell if that's where you have your criteria. Now, if I press enter, I get a list of students that got an A in chemistry. But how do I include the geography column as well? Well, you can't go to the next argument. That's not the right approach. The right approach is this. You put your first argument inside brackets, then you use the asterisk sign to multiply this with your second argument, which is to check if the second column equals A. Close bracket, close, and that's the right approach. You're going to use asterisk for AND conditions and plus for OR conditions.